Hey, my people, it's time to dream. Who's dreaming with me? Today, we are going to be showing a PR package we got from Born Pretty. So, let's just get right to it, y'all, and open this bad boy up. We got here some nail art pens, or brushes, pens, girl, wake up. Brushes. And I'm so excited we got some of this metallic painting gel, metal painting gel from them. I've heard so many good things about it, and I do got a little story about that, but later. And then we got the All Shine kit, which is some very, very sparkly gel polishes. And y'all know I live for sparkle. So let's see what we got in these brushes. And I'm happy I didn't struggle too long, like usual, to open it. All right, we got double-ended here. Looks like we got our, I think that's a flat brush here. Yeah, flat brush, maybe acrylic brush, and then a gel polish brush, it looks like. Or hard gel too, possible. And then we got our liner brushes. I'm not going to pretend to know what the millimeters are on these bad boys, but I do always need brushes because my brush care sucks. I need to step it up, y'all, and take better care of my stuff. All right, so let's get to this metal painting gel. Now, the story is, I got this before from Born Pretty, but I must have got a bad batch because it smelled really bad and it was extremely separated. So I am looking forward to opening this one and having better results. So let's see. I was a very, very sad panda when I got that one and it was messed up because all my nail sisters always gush over their metal gel paint. That's not what my other one looked like. So that, oh my gosh, look at this. Y'all, that looks like metal. No separating. That's gorgeous. Okay. Before I was like, girls, what y'all talking about when y'all was telling me this was it for metal gel paint? But, okay. I am drinking the Kool-Aid now, y'all, because that is gorgeous. Look at that. Yes. I love it. Okay. So the last one, obviously, I got was effective because this is perfection. Yes, Born Pretty. Gimme, gimme, gimme. All right. So now we get our shiny gel polishes and we can see what we got here. More sparkly than shine from what I had picked out. They let me pick out a set. So, you know me, if I'm picking out something, it's going to glitter, it's going to shine, something like that. I don't know why I'm opening up the instructions and showing y'all because I didn't even show the whole book. So, we could just get that out of there. When you get it, I always do suggest reading the instructions because they work different for different companies and stuff, but whatever. Now, swatching time. So this is the first color we are swatching. And I already had painted on the first coat because you're going to need 2 coats of this. If you're doing it alone, you can't always place it on top of something too, which would be pretty. But look at that. Now, this is not like I have a flash on or anything like that. That's just how it looks in the light. I'm just going to let y'all go ahead and watch the rest of these and watch them sparkle. The letters I have coming up are what each one of them are because it's too small to see on the bottle. So I'm going to shut up now. Y'all go and watch. Now to my favorite part, we get to do some nail art. We are going to use the 03 color of the set to do this design. And the design that we're doing is metal Swiss cheese. I know, that sounds crazy, but you'll get it once you see it done. So we already got our first layer on. We're going to do our second coat. And look at that shine. I just can't get over the way that sparkles. And like I said, no flash. It's just under the light. It just sparkles like that, and it's gorgeous. And once we are done with our layer, we're going to bake it, and then we're going to put on a matte top coat. Matte top coat makes it way easier for me to see when I'm doing my nail art on top of a nail. We're going to use our metallic gel, and we are going to start drawing little circles all over the nail. Big circles, little circles, whatever size you want. Just try to have some of them next to each other and differing sizes. And you'll see why as we go through. Now we got our circles all done. We can start filling in the gaps. And once you start filling in the gaps is when the little Swiss cheese look starts coming together. I mean, I don't know if it's really Swiss cheese, but that's all I can think of to call it. So that's what it is. It looks Swiss cheesy to me. And we just fill in those gaps in between with a metallic gel. And I'm hoping, I know some people, because this kind of happened to me when I was done with it, and it kind of like gave me the creeps, because I'm like, oh, it's all those little circles. And I know some people actually have like a phobia of a lot of little circles. I don't have like that bad, but if you do, my bad for triggering you. But once you fill it in, it looks really cute. So don't pay attention to my weirdness. I'm a weirdo, okay? Proud weirdo badge worn every day. But these are coming, and you just fill in every little gap, and you can see it start to come together. Make sure you get every piece, because this metal shows everything. And it dries with a non-sticky top. So you can top coat it if you want or not. Up to you. I went ahead and top coated so that I can get that shine back from when I did it matte. So we're just making sure we get all the gaps, and there we go. And here we have our finished product. How cute is that? It shines so gorgeous. I love how the shine peeks through the metal. If you love it as much as I do, this set will be on sale on my press-on nail site, naildreamzbyaisha.com. A big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these gorgeous gels. And as always, remember, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.